Hey everyone, welcome to Technologyglance. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Bigo Live app. So, let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. Then, search for the person that you want to block. Tap on the person that you want to block. And then tap on 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Block option. And if you are sure, tap on Block once again. And this is how we can block someone on Bigo Live app. Thanks for watching Technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.